Ready to take care of this? In today's tutorial, we'll continue crocheting the body, and this tail will be completely attached when we're done. You can check out the description for previous tutorials if you're just joining me. All the tools and materials are listed there as well, and here are all the stitches and techniques that I'll be using today. Now that that's done, let's get crocheting.
We're starting with round 9 of the body. We need to join the next available stitch on the tail with the one on the body. I'm going to move this stitch marker over so I can get my hook through there. It's going to also help me in the next round, trust me. So insert your hook into the previously marked stitch on that tail. Yarn over and pull through the stitch. Now insert your hook into the next stitch on the body. Yarn over and pull through the stitch. Now you'll yarn over and pull through all the loops on your hook. The next step is to single crochet in the next 52 stitches, which should get you almost all the way around the body. So let me take you to that next step. We want to join the next stitch on the body with the one on the tail. I'm going to move this stitch marker on the tail so I can get my hook through there. You ready? Insert your hook into the next stitch on the body. Yarn over and pull through the stitch. Then insert your hook into the previously marked stitch on the tail. Yarn over and pull through that stitch. Now yarn over and pull through all the loops on your hook. We have these last 2 stitches in the round, and we need to put a single crochet in each one of them. I like to keep these last 2 stitches marked so we don't lose sight of them when joining the tail. I recommend counting your stitches when we're done with this round. You should have 56. Rounds 10 and 11 are the same as round 9. Here's the start of round 10. I'm inserting my hook into the tail before going into the body. Crochet these stitches together, single crochet into the next 52 stitches. Let's jump ahead to that point. Again, we need to join the next stitch on the body with the one on the tail. Insert your hook into the stitch on the body before going into the tail. Once you've completed that single crochet, you should have 2 stitches remaining in the round. Make a single crochet into each one, and round 10 is done. Round 11 is just like number 10. We start by joining the next stitch on the tail to the first available stitch on the body. This can be a tight space to work into, but I'll do this over sewing the tail on any day. Work 52 single crochets to get you to the other side of the tail. I'll meet you back there. Okay, let's work these stitches together. After that join, you need to make a single crochet into the last 2 stitches. I'm going to pause here because I need to stuff the tail a bit more. This is the last opportunity to add stuffing because in the next round, there's not going to be an opening there. I may have put too much stuffing, but let's just move on to round 12. Put a single crochet in the next 3 stitches. I hope that tail isn't blocking you from seeing where I put my hook. Then decrease over the next 2. After this decrease, single crochet in the next 6 stitches. We need to repeat that sequence of a decrease and the 6 single crochets 5 more times. I'll jump ahead of all those repeats because I don't think you need my help for that. When all those repeats are done, there should be 5 stitches remaining. You'll put a single crochet in the next 3. Then, single crochet through the tail and the body for the last 2. We won't need all those stitch markers going forward, so they shouldn't be getting in your way anymore. Round 13 is a single crochet in all 50 stitches. I wanted to grab that last stitch we worked on the tail and join it with the first stitch of this round. I felt like it just needed to be done to make that tail more secure. Let's move into the next round. The start of round 14 is a single crochet in the next 3 stitches. Then we have a repeat sequence of 5 single crochets and then a decrease. I'm going to share something with you that might help counting stitches during these repeats. You can use stitch markers to see where the decreases should be. Just count out where the 5 single crochets would be and put a stitch marker in the next stitch. Before counting out the next 5 stitches again, remember that decrease takes up 2. When you're done, each one of these stitch markers will help you complete the repeat. Now, you don't even need to count. Just single crochet until you get to a stitch marker. Remove the stitch marker and make a decrease. Let me know in the comments if you think that's helpful. After that last decrease, put a single crochet in each one of the remaining stitches. You should have a total of 44 stitches when you're done. The next round is just a single crochet in all 44 stitches. I don't think you would want to see me make all those single crochets, so I decided to skip ahead. We are now on round 16, and we need a single crochet in the next 3 stitches. Then, let's decrease over the next 2 stitches. Single crochet in the next 4 stitches and repeat that decrease and these 4 single crochets 5 more times. After these repeats, you should be almost all the way around the body with 5 stitches remaining. Just put a single crochet in those and you're finished with round 16. Round 17 is a single crochet in all 38 stitches. When you're done with round 17, make sure the legs are fully stuffed. Our puppy dog is really coming together, and I hope you're happy with the progress that we've made. That's going to be it for now. Next time, we'll finish crocheting the body and work in the arms as we go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for the rest of the pattern. Thanks for watching.